Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect the GoDaddy website builder with your Gmail. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website builder if you have not already, so you can do so by going to godaddy.com and opening it up directly from there. It's going to open up your website right here in editor mode. And now let's go and take a look at how to go ahead and edit our site. So to be able to integrate it with Gmail, what we want to do is follow the steps of this article right here. So you can see we can connect our business profile on Google by going to the product page. We can click the link directly right here. It's going to open up this products option right here, from where we can take a look at the website we have. And now once you scroll down, you can find your domains, websites, and marketing, and so on. As you can see, once you open up website marketing, you can click manage next to your website. This is the manage button right here, which once you open it up, we are going to open up the dashboard, and then we can expand marketing and select overview. So from here, as you can see, we have the domain, the website, marketing, and so on. You can open up your overview settings as well if you need them right here, and follow the rest of the information. So we can fill out our business name and city, find the listings that we want to use, and so on. Then we can go and create a listing. This is going to enable us to go and connect this directly with our business account. You can use your Gmail and your Gmail account that you want to use so by adding it to the email section right here. And just from there, you can get started with accessing your dashboard and completing the rest of the steps. And that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.